guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll be showing you the Orbital Strike Canyon, the Wimbo Orbital Strike Canyon. So guys, I'll be showing you the Orbital Strike Canyon. Now, we will showcase it. For this command, just type this, the stab shot, this. Then facing around 131,500. Now this will happen. To reach this bottomless pit for the nuke. Yes. 3250. Warning. In your phone, just don't stand with it. Now just wait here. Now it's laggy. Now that is the now it's so lag. Just wait. Boom. So this is the Orbital Strike Canyon. So the fuck is this? Oh fuck. Now where's just now where am I in here? I'm still logging bro. Now this would happen. This is the cool mode that you do one thing will fight the Ender Dragon. Some more. Now we're gonna fight the Ender Dragon. How this mod make you really like Wimbo. Rod 1.0. And this is a snapshot. Now let's go kill the Ender Dragon. Oh shit, we're lagging. Now we just run and it's so laggy. Oh shit. Fuck, diba? Fuck, guys. Mod. Wait. It's not showing. This is the mode. Orbital strike. Just the link is in the comment. The download link is in the comment. So just download it and you'll be able to be the. So guys, we're done. So we are done filming video now. Just practice the Elytra maze and you are like Wimbo. So that's it for today. See you on another video.